Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.
5 ducks and the jellyfish dance. In a pond where the lilies sway, 5 ducks quacked in gleeful play. With feathers bright as the morning sun, they splashed in joy, their hearts had won. But beneath the ripple soft and clear, a jellyfish glided without a fear. His tendrils twinkled like stars at night, a creature of grace in shimmering light. Oh look, cried one with a joyful quack, a friend from the deep, let's call it back. The jelly danced close with a curious sway, as 5 little ducks wove games to play. They circled around with delight untold, each duckling bold and adventurous soul. Yet in that moment of laughter and cheer, a whisper of caution began to appear. For jelly's embrace is meant for fun, it wraps too tightly, it's not just a run. Yet still they frolicked on that warm shore's edge, a dance of innocence on nature's ledge. Come join us, they quacked with voices so sweet, while currents played gently round their web-webbed feet. But the jelly swayed slowly, a warning sign. Be careful now, friends, don't tread on my line. Don't tread on my line. Yet undeterred by its spectral grace, the ducks dipped closer in this strange space. With each gentle splash came an echoing thrill, their laughter rang out over water so still. And though shadows loomed from horizons afar, in friendship they found their own guiding star. 5 ducks and a jellyfish united, they pranced in that fleeting moment where magic enhanced.
Nursery cartoon love, journey with Hoorah.